Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to cover how to get the area of a composite figure. So I have one example here of a composite figure and the sizes all differentiate from another. So I'm gonna do two examples. After we've done this one, I'm gonna draw the second one so you can have enough examples to understand it better. So, what we need to do in order to find the area of these, we need to separate them into simpler shapes that we know how to find the area of. That way, we can find the area of the simpler shapes, add them together, and it will give us the area of the whole composite figure. So, let's jump right into number one and see what I meant by that. So, as you can see, we sort of have two figures, like this, figure A and figure B. You don't have to name them, but this way I can teach you guys simpler and you can understand it better. So, as we know, area equals length times width. So, the length of area 1 is 8 and the width is 3. So, we can do like this. A equals length times width. So, A equals 3 times 8, which equals 24. So this is going to be our area of number A. Area A, 24. So now we have A. Now we're going to do B. So the length is 2 and the width is 7. So B equals length times width. So B equals 7 times 2 equals 14. So now we have both of the areas of the whole figure, but we separated them to make it simpler. But we're not done yet because we need to have it of the full figure, the full composite figure. So because we have them both, circle this, because we have them both, we just have to add them together. 24 plus 14 equals, I'm just going to do it by hand, which I'll, so 4 plus 4 equals 8, 2 plus 1 equals 3. So this will be your final answer of the first example. I'm going to draw another example so I can show you guys one more time. So now I drew the second example. So I have another composite figure, as you can see, 10 inches, 8 inches, 5 inches, and 3 inches. So now you can see this one is not, we don't know the length of this one or the width, but we have to have that to make this side. So we simplify the figure like this. Let's call this one A and this one B. So let's start off with A. As you can see, we don't have the width, but we know that this is the half of this. So 10, the half of 10 is 5. So we can just write it down like this, 5 inches. So now we have the length and the height of the first, of A. So A equals length times width. So that means A equals 5, because we have to take this one and not the full width of the whole figure. So 5 times 8, and that equals 40. 40 inches. So now we have A equals 40 inches, but now we have to do B. Now, again, we don't know what this is, because this is for this side. But again, you can see, like this one, it is the half of the full 10. So this line is also 5 inches. So B equals length times width. That means B equals 5 times 3, which gives you 15 inches. So B equals 15 inches. Now all we have left to do is add them together. So 40 plus 15, do it step for step. 0 plus 5 equals 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. So our final answer will be 55. So area equals 55 inches. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was the video on how to get the area of a composite figure. I hope you guys understand it now. If you have any questions, you can always leave them in the comments. I will reply as fast as possible. And if you like the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.